Hey guys, welcome back to Prestigious Prep by Paris. I'm Paris. Thank you so much for being here. If you are a returning member of the Prep Squad, thank you so much for coming back and spending time with me. If you are new here, welcome. Over here, Prestigious Prep, we desire to excel in all areas of our lives. So that means family, friends, finances, spirituality, every single thing. Over here, I show you some of my traveling. I show a little bit of makeup, hair, family videos, crafty videos, fashion hauls, all kinds of things. I give out advice for credit, college, all things lifestyle. So in today's video, we're actually going to be doing preparation for my little cousin's baby shower. And so the first thing on my list to do, oh, by the way, I am her coordinator, decorator-esque person, if you will. So we found some centerpieces. Her baby shower is very farmhouse chic for the look. So I'm going to be putting together the actual centerpieces. So this will be, I guess, probably part one because I have some other things I need to put together, like her baby block letters, um, her little favors. So I'll take you guys on that journey with me. So this will be part one. So if you haven't already, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Without further ado, I'm going to stop talking and we'll go ahead and get started with our actual video. Okay. All right. So I went to Dollar Tree and got the floral arrangements, basically. So just to give you guys an idea of what we're going to be uh, working with here, we got on Amazon and ordered the boxes for the centerpieces. I will link them below in case you are interested in purchasing some for your own purposes. But here is the actual box itself. It's very, very cute. It is in the shape of a block, and it is like laminated paper, cardstock almost paper. So you will need something to make sure that it is stable. So the box comes as is. You fold it over, very easy, very cute. This is the look. What I also got are the actual inserts because we are doing a floral arrangement. So I want to be able to sit it down inside this box comfortably and it be invisible to the outside world, if you will. Then I decided, well, what colors are we going to go with? And so I have some variety in what we're going to be using. So I'll just try to show you one of the arrangements together. So we got some of these. These are their ferns. There's about 6 on each one. Yeah, there's about 6 on each one. So to give it that green grass look. And then for flowers, we have a mix. So I did tea roses in the pink color, and then tea roses in a very pink coral color. And then I also got some gardenias. You can see here. Okay. And I'm also going to be alternating with those flowers and the more roses here, but in this beautiful orange pink color, and then just some ivory color ones. So you'll see me mix and match to my liking. And so without further ado, I'm going to stop talking and then I'll let you guys watch. So one more thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the two different arrangements. I'm going to put two boxes together to give you an idea of what we have going on. And then I'll do a time lapse or I will speed it up and let you guys watch me work through this process. So. Okay guys, I'm working on some new content. Make sure if you haven't already that you please go ahead out to my page, like, comment, and subscribe. I will put the link right here somewhere so you guys can go ahead and subscribe because you do not want to miss this. This is where we are so far. Very, very cute. Add a few more touches. This is our main event one right here. Centerpiece show out one. Extra over the top one. So you gotta go big on her. So, all right. Let's start. All right. Yeah, all done, guys. With this. This beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very beautiful. And this one is gonna go on her table, or their table. Beautiful. Okay.